In this video, I will tell you and show you how to send letters manually using the NetSuite Dunning Letters bundle. To manually send Dunning letters by email, you will use the Dunning email sending queue on the Dunning dashboard. So that you go by going Setup, Dunning email sending queue. Now what you need to understand is that when the Dunning evaluation will run, the Dunning letters that are ready for sending are shown in the Dunning email sending queue if the following conditions are met. So if it is a customer record like this one, you will need the allow letters to be emailed to be checked. It's the same invoice record and invoice group actually. The difference is for the invoice group, you will need also the allow Dunning letters to be emailed that is checked. On the Dunning procedure, here, you will need to make sure that the sending schedule is set to manual, not automatic. You need to make sure the allow individual invoice level Dunning box to send individual email notifications for group invoice. Sorry, I had forgotten that one. The Dunning letters will remain in the queue until the email is sent or until you remove the record from the queue. So if I go back to my Dunning email sending queue, you will see here on this page the customer. So that's the customer to whom the Dunning letters are sent. And by the way, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to this channel to encourage me to do more videos. The subsidiary, so that's a subsidiary to whom the letters you want to send are addressed. The Dunning procedure, that's fairly straightforward to discuss. Dunning level, that's the Dunning level for these letters. Apply to, if it's a customer invoice or invoice group records. The last letter sent start date and end date, that's to know when was the last time that you sent the letters. And the evaluation start date and end date, that's the date when all letters whose Dunning evaluation started and ended on that date will be displayed. If you do not select any value in the filters, it will just show you all the possible Dunning letters. So I encourage you to filter so you can see correctly. Then you will just click on search in the top left or bottom left, and then you will just use the standard pagination options like you have. I don't have results just on this page right now, but when the letters will show, they will show here in this table. And on the left, you will have check boxes where you can mark all or unmark all to clear the boxes. For the ones you want to send, then you can just click on that send button, right? So that I'm sure you will see it, this one. After sending, the system will remove the sending letters from the queue and adds them to the recently sent printed Dunning letters on the Dunning dashboard. If you want to remove, you will select and click on remove, so that's the same idea. Just be careful because you will not be able to send or print the Dunning letters that you remove. This action cannot be undone. If you want something that's a bit more elaborate in terms of workflows that gives you the option to create also tasks and text messages and that kind of things, then have a look at Kolleno, Kolleno.com, and give a thumbs up to this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.